This is a video introducing the key features of BINTA car battery charger. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of BINTA car battery charger. Smart charging modes. Start in smart mode for a diagnostic charge that auto switches to repair or refresh. One-touch fast charge mode delivers quick power. This smart battery charger acts as a battery maintainer to revive your battery. 4-stage charging. Our professional battery charger uses a precise sequence, constant current, constant voltage, float, and trickle charge. This method is designed to extend battery life by providing the ideal energy intake without overcharging. Advanced safety protections. Rest easy with built-in temperature control, auto shut-off at 150 degrees Fahrenheit, reset at 80 degrees Fahrenheit, short circuit and reverse polarity protection. This spark-proof battery charger automatically shuts off if overheated, safeguarding you and your vehicle's battery. Wide compatibility. Automatically detects 12-volt and 24-volt batteries, with manual mode extending support to a range of 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, and 24-volt systems. This versatile battery charger is an excellent choice for motorcycle and car applications, compatible with GEL, AGM, and standard lead-acid batteries. User-friendly design. Built for ease of use with a carry handle and upgraded grip clamps. The charging cables have been extended from 60 to 80 cm, providing greater reach and flexibility for conveniently charging batteries in cars, trucks, lawnmowers, and motorcycles. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.